so cute. Hey guys, it's Maya. I'm back today with another Stitch Fix haul video. This is my third Stitch Fix that I'm receiving. I have not opened the box yet. I have it right here. Today I'm going to be unboxing the box, telling you my first thoughts. I'm going to be showing you me trying on the clothes and what I think of them, and then I'm going to give you an honest review of my Stitch Fix box. If you watched my last video, you know that I really did not like the box, and if you watched my first video, you know that I did like the first box that I received. In my last video, I was harsh on Stitch Fix because I did not like any of the items that I received, or the prices were just way too ridiculous and I was not going to spend $90 on a pair of jeans that I might wear once or twice. That being said, I want to give you guys my honest thoughts and reviews on everything that I'm showing you. I don't want to put out content that isn't original and my honest thoughts, because I would personally hate to go watch a review of something such as a foundation on YouTube and them not be honest. I would hate for someone to be sitting there with their foundation saying, "Oh my gosh, I love this product," when they're lying just for views. I'm going to be honest, and if I don't like anything in this box, I'm going to tell you. I may be harsh, I may say that it's ugly. These are my honest opinions. I'm just not gonna lie about it. On my last video, I did receive some rude comments, so I hope that with this disclaimer, it'll maybe take away from that if I don't like anything. I'm not sure if this review is going to be negative yet, but if it is, this is just a disclaimer saying just X out of this video right now if you don't want to see honest content that may be hurtful to Stitch Fix or to you. I'm just gonna go ahead and read a few of the comments that I got on my last video just to show you some delightful people that there are in the world today. I got a comment 1 week ago from Corina Colbertson, and her profile picture, I don't know if you can see it, she like looks like a middle-aged lady. If you're a middle-aged lady, like, what are you doing leaving hate comments on a 17-year-old girl's YouTube video? She said, "I don't know what your problem is. Why is someone like you on here? By the way, the dress is beautiful. I personally did not think that it was beautiful. I wasn't going to pay like $80 for a dress that I didn't like, so I was going to be honest and say I did not like it. I wish I would have never came across you. We'll be blocking you so it won't happen again." That was the end of her comment. I mean, sure, block me. Like I said, X out of this video right now if you don't want to see honest content, because that's what I put out and that's how it's going to be. I'm not going to change for any middle-aged woman that feels the need to comment on my video hurtful things. Julia Janes says, 2 weeks ago, "So naggy and negative, hard to finish watching the entire video." I was pretty harsh with it. Maybe I could have toned that down a little bit, but I was being honest. I didn't like any of the pieces, and I said that. I made that clear. If I'm paying $20 to receive a box monthly and I don't like anything in that box, that means that the $20 went to waste. I don't get my $20 back. I mean, that's part of the deal when I signed up, and I knew that, but I'm just wasting money. This is my third box, so I have paid $60 just to receive 3 boxes, and I've only bought one thing so far. I do appreciate the people that commented back to this Julia Janes girl. Stacy M says, "It was honest. I liked Maya's honesty. Everyone should be this way about clothing. For $50 per piece, it really needs to be perfect to get excited about it. So tired of videos without rainbows and unicorns getting hate." So thank you, Stacy, for saying that. I totally agree. I'm not just going to sit here and say like, "Oh my gosh, I love everything," and behind the scenes I really don't, and I send everything back. I want to be honest in this review. I want you guys to figure out for yourself if you think that it's worth $20 a month to get a box and not know what's in it. So that's just my little disclaimer at the beginning of the video. So if you would like to, just keep on watching for the unboxing, review, and haul. We have the box here, and I'm going to take my scissor and open it up. After every box that you receive, you go on the app or the website and fill out the return survey. So you say what you're going to be returning, what you're going to be keeping, and then you can also write a note and say that you love the box, that you didn't like the box, or you can ask for stuff that you'd like in your next box. So I did say that I did not like any of the pieces in the box, and it wasn't really what I asked for. I said that in the note. I also said that I had a YouTube channel and posted a video on it. I'm not sure if she watched the video. If she did, I mean, I was very honest in it, so oops. I'm going to be honest, especially when I'm paying money for this service. And I also said that I'd like pieces to transition into spring, but also keep in mind that it's like -20 degrees still here, so not like crop tops and stuff. That's what I said in my note. So first we have the return bag, which is where you'd put anything that I don't like. I put this in this bag and then ship it off. Okay, now we have the envelope, and oh my gosh, I don't want to look at what's in here, but the note is also on here. It says, "Hey Maya, happy fix day. I am very excited to be styling you. The Derek Frayed stepped hem distressed skinny jeans is sure to become a new favorite. These can be dressed up or dressed down with just your choice of shoes. Match a simple cami or tee under the Dainty brushed cardigan. Add the Lillian natural stone pre-layered necklace and casual flats for a weekend get-together. This cardigan will serve you well as an outer layer heading into spring. Pair the jean with the Josephina Hashi graphic knit pullover and canvas sneakers. You will be super cute and well pulled together for your weekend shopping errands. Add a cargo vest over the Elora button-down cotton top with the jean and short booties. Be sure to try on everything and please let me know your thoughts. XO Melissa." In this envelope there's also, this is just the invoice with all the prices on them. I'm gonna open this little package first. Comes in this little jewelry box. It says Stitch Fix and it's blue. I like this. It comes in this bag here. I love layered necklaces. Ooh, okay, this is super, super, super cute. So the first necklace that we have is just this little triangle there. And then the next one is this gemstone. And then it has the third one, which ends, and then it has a little dangly piece here. So I think I might just try this on and show you guys. This is what it looks like. So I really do like this necklace. And I love layered necklaces, so I do like this. The necklace is $38. Yeah, I probably will not be getting that. $38 for a necklace is ridiculous. Like if it was Tiffany, I'd be like, okay, but this is just costume jewelry, so no. Now we have the big package with all the clothes in it. First we have this flannel, and this is a very nice flannel. It's like actual flannel material and not just like shirt flannel. You guys know what I'm talking about, like those thin flannels that are just for fashion. No. This is an actual flannel, which I really like. The only thing is I don't really like the color. I don't like the color navy blue on me. I'll try it on and see. And the price on that one is $44, so really not bad. The next one that I have here is a little crew neck shirt that says Saturdays on it with stars. And it's super, super, super soft. This is also $44. I don't really ever see myself wearing this, honestly. I really don't like graphic shirts just because I think they go out of style pretty quick. So I don't really find myself buying graphic shirts that often. Next, we have some jeans here. Oh my god. These are so cute. I have actually been looking for a pair of jeans like this with just holes in just the knees. This is exactly what I've been looking for. And I found this pair at American Eagle, but the holes in the knees were like little circles. They looked so freaking weird. I'll have to try these on and see what the holes look like, but I really love these. And then the bottom is rough cut. It has like no hemming on it, which I really like. Inside of the ankle kind of has that little cutout on there. And I like the wash of them too. Those are $58, so not bad for nice jeans. The last thing that we have here is this cardigan. So it's this like lilac purple color. It's like an open drape cardigan. This one is $68. Yeah, I'm not paying $70 for a cardigan. Now I have the invoice here with all the prices. The total comes out to $252 if I bought everything. And with Stitch Fix, if you buy all 5 things, you get a 25% off your whole purchase discount. So the discount would be $63, and then it says I have promo or other credit, which is $30. So it's $252, and then if you buy all 5, you get a 25% discount, so that's $63 off. So that brings it to $189. You take off the $30, which is promo or other credit. That brings it to $159. And then you take off the styling fee, which is the $20 that I've already paid. and that brings it to $139. So if I bought all 5 items, it would only be $139. That's actually crazy. That's more than $100 off. So overall, I'm very happy with my box. I thought that this was going to be another fail, and I was going to have to say some harsh words again, but I didn't, and I'm very pleased with that. I don't know if they listened or what happened. I got a different stylist. I don't know. But I am very pleased with this box, and I also said in the last one, they have you like take this quiz when you return everything and you say why you didn't like what you're returning, and I said that everything was very expensive. I'm not going to pay like $90 for a dress. Like, that's ridiculous. I said that the price points were very high for me, and they brought them down a lot. $44, especially for a flannel, is amazing, and then $58 for jeans is not bad. Like, I think the other ones that I got were like $90 for jeans. I put on the crew neck first. I love the feeling of it. I just wish that it said something different. That's really the only reason that I don't like it. I just don't ever see myself wearing this, so I'm not going to spend $44 on this, like, if I'm not gonna wear it. This is the flannel. I do like this and how there is room to wear a long sleeve crew neck shirt under it. Okay, this is not meant to be worn with crew neck shirts. It's a little tight. I'm very thrown off by the draping. It's just at a weird spot. I do really like this color though on me, and it's super soft too. So I threw on the jeans here. Can't really see the bottoms because of my socks, because it's Valentine's Day. But I do like the bottom, and I love the holes in the knees too. I really like them, and they're a nice material. They're stretchy. So thank you guys so much for watching and coming back for another video after my last video was mean and rude. So if you stayed along for this one, thank you. I really appreciate it. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel down below by clicking that subscribe button. Make sure to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. Those will all be linked down below. And come back again for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!